Hi everyone, this is Dr. Franklin Kobos, and this is a pharmacy update, June 23, 2020. Many people have been wanting to know the status of the little micro farm we've got going here, and just wanted to show you what's going on and what you can anticipate in the near future. A survey sent out earlier this year indicated everybody is interested in getting locally grown tomatoes, as well as lettuce and cucumbers, and so that's what you're going to see here, the state of things. Of these tomato plants are quite good. They were started as seedlings earlier this year and transplanted in, and under the hothouse here, the greenhouse, which we got in kit form from a farmer's friend right here in Tennessee, they've been doing very well. And so we anticipate beginning to make things available for you for local pickup in July, coming up soon. We'll be trellising them to allow them to produce more heavily and consistently and for longer time this growing season by using these roller hooks and twine that you see supporting them from the root of the base down here. We use drip irrigation for those dry periods. Fortunately, we're not in one right now. And we trim off all those lower leaves to reduce the chance of bacterial or fungus infection, which is real common in tomato plants around here. So you can see our strategy that we're using right now to maximize growth and promote health of the plant, and of course then that translates into the health of the eater. This particular house we have is growing most all the cucumbers, which are coming along just fine, even a couple blossoms right now. So again, we anticipate the first part of July is when we'll be able to provide these items for you locally. Also thanks to the bees, which you see in the background, who are busy pollinating things for us. A hot item for request is colored lettuce. So we've got some red or bronze arrowleaf lettuce sprouting right now. And that's because our previous crop of romaine lettuce, which did very well, has now bolted. And so that's not going to be as sweet or prime at this point. So we're going to replant and start some other varieties of lettuce to take over our greens portion of the garden that if you look here, can still be seen to have some of last fall's kale. Corn is coming up great. We had some requests for sweet corn. I don't think it's done quite as well as we needed to provide it on a large scale, but we did do some sweet corn in the micro farm here this year. It's been an interesting experiment or experience for me to ramp up food production here at the Doctor's Inn. It was something that I had looked forward to doing for some time, but hadn't had time until the coronavirus gave many opportunities to do other things besides work. And so this was one of the things I have been doing. This is a tool I promised I would highlight for some people, an Earthway seeder that had really accelerated my ability as a one or two man operation to plant a lot of things quickly. It's an excellent time-saving device. In the future, I'll be giving some updates with the pharmacy here to tell people what it is that I found to be most useful and helpful as I've transitioned from kind of a hobbyist, a home gardener, to more of a person who produces large amounts of food in a shorter period of time and in a smaller space. So that's it for this update. Please do leave some comments if you have any questions and ideas that you'd like to share with the community. Post them below. If you want to get in contact with me, do so in the comments section, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Until next time, have a great day.